Hi everyone! Welcome back to vivzvlogs. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me introduce to you myself. My name is Vivian, a Filipino worker here in Saudi Arabia. I am documenting my passion for food, travel, and parts of my OFW life. Please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell down below to get notified for new video uploads. Quick disclaimer guys, I'm not a nutritionist nor a dietitian. I'm just a person who is trying so hard to withdraw from my sugar addiction. Seriously though, I'm searching all over the net for healthier options to satisfy my sweet cravings. And this recipe is one of them, and I would love to share them with you guys. Let's get started. First off, let's assemble our dry ingredients. Now we have the ground oats, 1.5 cups, and 1 cup quick cooking oats. If you don't have the ground oats or oats flour, just throw your rolled oats or quick cooking oats in a blender or food processor for a few minutes and it will do the trick. Now let's add in 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder. And let's give it a good stir, and we'll set this aside and prepare the wet ingredients. Now let's beat our eggs here and add in the rest of the ingredients, which is our yogurt, half cup honey, half cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and mix it all up and be sure that all ingredients are well incorporated. And now we can add in our main ingredient, 2 cups finely grated carrots. Give this a quick stir and we'll combine this to our dry ingredients. Once our dry and wet ingredients are well combined, we can drop in now our walnuts. Again, just give it a quick stir, and once the cake batter is ready, we can transfer it in a baking dish. Just to be sure that our cake will not stick in the baking pan, slightly grease it with oil. This cake mixture would actually fit in this baking pan. I've tried it before and it's perfectly fine. But this time, I wanted to create a cream cheese frosting to level up the flavor of our carrot cake. So we'll divide our cake batter into 2 and be sure to spread it evenly. We'll bake this in 180 degrees Celsius, 30 to 35 minutes. It depends on your oven, or you can do a toothpick test. For the cream cheese frosting, we need 200 grams of cream cheese. I use this Curie cooking block and half stick of unsalted butter. And this one is the icing sugar. If you want really a zero sugar frosting, you can use any sweetener substitute like monk fruit or erythritol. Be sure that the butter and cream cheese is softened, room temperature, not frozen guys, and mix at high speed for about like 5 minutes or so. At this point, we can add in the powdered sugar, but be sure to sift the sugar to break up any lumps that might have formed. Just continue mixing this frosting until light and fluffy. This is our final product. Let it cool for a few minutes and then lalagyan na natin ng frosting. This one will enjoy this as it is, or we can drizzle our favorite maple syrup. For this one, we will top this with cream cheese frosting. Ayan. So this is the final product. You can enjoy this carrot cake simply as it is without any added sugar or with this cream frosting and pancake syrup. Yeah. FYI guys, based on several studies and research, carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, very good source of several B vitamins as well as vitamin K and potassium. On the other hand, oats contain a powerful soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which can reduce LDL and total cholesterol levels. If you want to know more about the health benefits of these two main ingredients, I will put the link in the description box. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you on the next vlog. Bye!